Hello everyone, this is episode 19 of the Learn Java series, and today we will be covering getters and setters. I just intend for this to be a short video, okay? And at the end, I will show you actually a project that I have made, and I will show you how to make it in our advanced series. I think I will make sorry. The next video after this will be in episode 19.5, where we will dive into the advanced series again, and there we are going to make this is a bouncing ball program. Okay, so how many balls do you want? Let's say 3. Bounce level, let's say high. 1, 2, 3. You can see here we have 3 different balls. They're bouncing and they are just randomly they have random sizes, random positions, random colors. You can see. So now we will learn about that in the next video, but let's get back to the tutorial. So I just want this to be a short video. I've already wasted too much time. Let's start. Okay, so getters, we can use a getter and setters are functions. Okay, first of all, we can use them to get a variable inside a class or set a variable inside a class. So let's just create a class. uh, oh my god, public class tutorial, public static void main. Now let's create a static class, okay, so that we can call it, and let's name it man. Okay, so now we have a static class man, and what we will do in here is let's create a variable string name. Okay, now let's create a constructor so that whenever the object is created, it sets the name to something. So constructor man, like this is how you make a constructor. So when the object is created, we want it to set the name to. Now you can do it, I think, since I think my majority of my viewers are from India. Let's do a South Indian name. Name is equal to Dakshina Murthy Rao Pandey. Okay, good. Dakshinamurti Rao Pandey. Okay. Now, so in here, let's create an object in the main function. Let's create an object man, and object is equal to new man. Okay, so now let's print the name system.out.println. We will print object. So this object dot name. Let's run this. See, Dakshinamurti Rao Pandey. So now you can also do this, but we will be learning about getters and setters. So we want to get the variable from the class. We don't want to use this. Why? Because as your Java knowledge will grow, you will maybe one day you will join a company, and when you join a company, when this stuff becomes serious, when you are actually when you have to think about security and privacy, then this is very important. Okay, we don't want to just do this, because let's say um because anyone could just do, if you just have it like this, anyone could just do this, like object dot name is equal to, or like let's say I have a bank, and I have int um money, and set money to 0. I can just do this. Object dot money is equal to 1 will this. Literally, this is this is the privacy reason. Okay, so that is why we have to make these things private. We have to use getters and setters, some specific functions to do that. So let's just dive into that. Um, so let's create a function inside this class outside of this constructor. Okay, obviously. So first let's create the getter. So the getter will return something, right? So we need to have So it will return what? Name is a string, so its return type will be string get name. So this is our function. What is here? Oh yeah, nothing. Okay, ignore that. String get name. And now what do we want to do? Simple, return name. Now you can also do name, but I would think as your project grows, as you work in a company or you work in a startup, you have to use this class, this dot name. Okay, so now system.out.println, we will not do object.name. Okay, so that is like a security issue. We have to make it private. We have to do get name, or no, like object.getName. Run this, we get Dakshinamurthy Rao Pandey. Okay, now let's create a let's create a set name. So set name, we are not returning anything. We are not returning anything to the user, so we'll just set it to void set name. And we will also tell it, there will be a parameter inside this function of what do we want the new name to be. So string new name. Okay, and what will it do? This dot name, so this class, this variable, this name is equal to new name, which we specified. It is a parameter. So now print object dot set name to okay, no, not like this. Let's not do this. Let's do this into two parts. Okay, object dot set name to let's say Murtilal Pandey, and we will print object dot get name. So when we had this object, the constructor made it to Dakshinamurthy Rao Pandey, set the name to, then we set its name to Murtilal Pandey, and then now we are printing object dot get name, and now we have Murtilal Pandey. So I hope this was not too long, and this is basically what getters and setters are. You don't have to use them if you are you don't have to use them if you're just like working privately, but it is a good practice in case you want to go abroad, you want to work in a startup company, whatever, because it is a major if you don't use it, it will be a public concern, not public security concern. Okay, so I will meet you in the next video.